Let's all grow together. Alright, we all been stuck with the average old virus, but today we're going to talk about something a little bit more detrimental, that you need a little bit more security for, and that you need to think a little bit outside of the box, especially you got people on Facebook. It's not just a virus that you got to worry about anymore. It's people hacking into your computer, getting your location, getting your data, your personal information, putting ransomware on your computer, encrypting your data. So for $2.91 per month, you can get a good old VPN. Now, this VPN, private internet access, you're safe and secure. Keeps your data 100% secure from one wireless access point to the next with military-grade encryption by providing you with a virtual private network, which means to you that you will be absolutely invisible on the web. They won't be able to find your location, nor will they be able to tap into your credit card information. So if you guys want to take advantage of this discount and promotion below, check it out, click the link. You can get this for $2.91 a month, or you can go above and beyond, pay for the whole year for like 33 bucks and some change. It's a great promotion. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you guys. Have a good day.